Are you ready to lean out the outer thighs and work on the side booty, sculpt and slim the legs with this short, sweet and efficient ankle weights, outer thighs, slim legs and side booty workout? I'm Cristina, a certified personal trainer, yoga teacher, holistic health and wellness coach, and today we are slimming the legs, sculpting very nice the legs, the outer thighs with the ankle weights. We're gonna lay down on the side, and first we're gonna do 3 exercises, 10 repetitions each, all 3 on this side, then we change the side. 3 rounds in total. Let's go, bringing the knee on top, and we lift and kick. 1, kind of like a diagonal kick. 2, and squeeze it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, and this time we bring both knees in the front, bent knees, and we lift here. 1, side fire hydrants. It's a very knee friendly workout. 2, 3, and squeeze. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and last 10 on this side. We stretch the leg, turning the toes towards the inside and lifting here. 1, really feeling the burn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And slowly we change the side. Laying down on the other side. First exercise, we bring the knee to the front, we kick kind of a diagonal. 1, squeezing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. We bend both knees and we lift. 1, side fire hydrants. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And last one, we stretch the leg on top, toes towards the floor, and we lift 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Amazing. And we change the side, second round. Laying on the side, working specifically on the outer thighs and side glutes. Knee on top to the front, bent, and we kick in a diagonal. 1, squeezing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Amazing. Bending both legs, side fire hydrants. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. And last one, we stretch the leg, toes towards the floor, lifting up. Let's go. 1, 2, controlling the movement. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect, very good. Second round, other side. Short, sweet, and super efficient. First, bringing the knee on top, knee bend, diagonal kick. 1, squeezing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bending both knees 10 times. Side, fire hydrant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last one, legs straight, toes towards the floor, and we lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. And we change the side for the last round. Let's go. Knee bent on top, diagonal kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We bend both knees, side fire hydrants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last one, legs straight, toes towards the floor. Let's lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. And we change the side for the third and last round. With the other leg, we can do it. Let's go. Bending the knee, knee on top, and kicking in a diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. 10 fire hydrants. Knees bent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and last 10. Legs straight, toes towards the floor, lifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Amazing. 3 rounds, 30 repetitions. We made it. If you love ankle weight workouts, then you also have to alternate this workout with the grow your glutes with ankle weights workout to have amazing sculpted glutes as well, slim legs, and feel and look your best. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe for weekly workouts and amazing content for a happy, healthy lifestyle. Kisses and best vibes always.